review. I liked it so much I ordered one like right away. You just can't beat Millennium tree stands. So what I'll do is I'll put a tree stand up over in that other area that has a good tree. Over here I'll put the tripod up. It's important to be mobile. That's one of the things that I learned from both Nick and Greg when I started. I thought it was all about, if I'm in this stand every day, the statistics would dictate that I would get more shot opportunities on that animal. But the reality is, I was underestimating how smart these guys are. So, once you've been in a spot, like they can tell. So, I typically don't stay in any given spot for more than a couple days at a time now.